Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the ROBLOX Studio channel. Today we're doing a Blender tutorial on how to make a simple Blender texture. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is choose the material that we are going to be using. So I'm just going to choose the default material, and then we're going to go ahead and add a color ramp by clicking Shift and A while your mouse cursor is in this kind of section here, and you're going to type in color ramp. Then we want to connect the color in the color ramp to the base color of the principal BSDF, and then we want to choose the color of our woods. That's the color I'm going to go for. Once we've got the color ramp sorted, we want to go Shift A again, and we want to input a noise texture. We want to connect the factor to the factor down here. As you can see, it kind of just looks like a planet, very poor looking planet. So let's just mess around with these settings. Maybe do that. We want to turn the detail all the way up to 16, higher than it will officially let us using the mouse cursor. Apparently not. Oh well, I'm not complaining. And then we'll just mess around with the roughness. That's good. Yep. So you don't have to use these settings if you don't want to. Ooh. However, I will be using these settings because I think it looks good for myself. The next thing I want to do is Shift A again and go and get a mapping, connect the vector to vector, and then we want to add another thing. We want to add a texture coordinates, and we want to grab the object one here and put that in vector. So as you can see, it's all back now. It's all the same. So now if we just mess around with scale, I'm going to mess around with the Y. I'm going to adjust the Y a little bit, maybe like there, 5.5 maybe. I think that looks really good. However, it's very flat, wood isn't really meant to look that flat. So we're going to go Shift A down here, and we're going to create a, not bumpo, a bump. And we're just going to drag that down there. Next thing we want to do is get the normal in the bump, drag that into the normal down here, and grab the factor and then put the factor in the height. So as you can see, it's now kind of created a more realistic effect for the wood. So we can turn down the strength. As you can see there, we can change the distance. I'm going to change the distance down just a little teeny bit there. There we go. That looks good. And next we want to turn the roughness all the way down. I'll give it a nice shine. Actually, you can turn it up if you want to. I think I'm going to leave it at 0.482. That does look quite nice. Metallic. Let's not have metallic on because it's wood. Blender just had a bit of a buggy moment there. Specular, I'm not sure what that really does, however it doesn't really look like it changes much. Sheen tint, let's turn that off. Clear coat roughness, turn that off, and that is really all we need to do. So that is how to make a simple wood texture in Blender. I hope you guys did find this helpful. Please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.